Imagine a land where the earth stretches as far as the eye can see, a pristine canvas painted in shades of white and blue, where clouds dance like ballerinas on an endless stage. This is Uyuni Salt Flat, Bolivia, the world's largest mirror on Earth, a place where reality shimmers with the brilliance of 1,000 stars. Welcome, adventurers, to a journey beyond the ordinary, to where the sky kisses the earth and magic dances on the horizon. Mirror on the Earth. Here, on this vast expanse of salt, measuring 10,582 square kilometers, the world transforms into a surreal dreamscape. Stand at the center, and the horizon dissolves, leaving you adrift in a sea of white, the sky your only companion. Take a photo, and you become part of the illusion, your reflection dancing alongside the clouds, a fleeting silhouette, in an eternal ballet. As the sun dips below the horizon, the salt flat ignites with fiery hues, painting the sky in shades of orange, pink, and purple. The clouds, once ethereal dancers, become fiery chariots, chasing each other across the endless canvas. This is a moment suspended in time, a dance of light and reflection, a spectacle that leaves you breathless and forever changed. Otherworldly Landscapes. Volcanic peaks of Isla and Kawazi piercing the sky, colorful geysers erupting in the Atacama Desert, close-up shots of unique salt flat flora and fauna. But Uyuni is not just a flat stage. It's a gateway to otherworldly landscapes, where ancient volcanoes stand guard, their peaks piercing the azure sky like sentinels from another time. Venture to Isla Nkawazi, a cactus-studded islet rising from the salt flat, its silhouette a stark contrast against the endless white. Continue your journey to the Here, you'll find fossilized footprints of dinosaurs, whispering secrets of a time when giants walked the earth. Atacama Desert, where fiery geysers erupt in a display of geothermal power, painting the air with a rainbow of steam and minerals. This is a land of extremes, where life finds a way to thrive against all odds, with unique salt flat flora and fauna adapted to this unforgiving environment. Stargazing Paradise. Milky Way stretching across the sky. When the sun sets and darkness descends, Uyuni transforms once again. The mirror on Earth becomes a window to the cosmos, revealing the Milky Way in all its breathtaking glory. Millions of stars, like diamonds, scattered across black velvet, paint the night sky a masterpiece. Escape the city lights, climb atop the salt flats, and let your gaze wander through the endless expanse. Here, you'll feel the weight of the universe, the vastness of space, humbling and inspiring in equal measure. Learn constellations from local guides, their stories whispered under the starlit sky, connecting you to the ancient rhythms of the earth and the celestial dance above. Cultural encounters. Visiting traditional Aymaran villages, participating in local rituals and festivals, learning about ancient customs and traditions. Uyuni is not just a landscape of salt and stars. It's a land where people have lived in harmony with nature for centuries. Participate in local rituals and festivals, witness their vibrant dances, and taste their traditional food, each bite a burst of flavor and cultural connection. In the warmth of their smiles and the rhythm of their stories, you'll discover the true heart of Uyuni, a spirit that endures like the salt beneath your feet. Visit the villages of Colchani and Tahua, where the Aymaran people, descendants of the Inca Empire, call the Salt Flat home. Learn about their ancient traditions, their respect for Pachamama, Mother Earth, and their unique way of life. Uyuni Salt Flat is more than a destination, it's an experience. It's a place where the earth and sky merge, where time stands still, and where magic shimmers in every grain of salt. So,